Hello class. Today in phonics, if you take a look at my anchor chart, we are working on the sounds long O and short O. Okay? So I have this anchor chart that we're going to work through together. But right now with me, and I know you're at home, that's okay. I want you to do this with me, okay? We are going to make the long O sound. So just like last week with long I, when there's that magic E, it makes the vowel say its name. So some of our long O words have magic E, right? So long O is going to say O. It's going to say its name. So I want you to say with me right now, long O says O. Long O says O. And I want you to make that shape with your mouth. O. Okay? So anytime you hear long O, you know it's going to say the O sound. Short O is going to be a little different. Short O is going to say ah. Okay, I want you to make that sound too. So make this shape with your lips. Short O says ah. Short O says ah. So we're going to go over just a little bit. So I have, and I'll see if I can move all of my pieces. And they're sticking to me. So we can see all of our anchor charts. So here we have long O, as in boat, boat. And remember, when we have two vowels that are next to each other in a word, that's our vowel pair. When two vowels go walking, one does the talking, and it's our first one. So boat, we have O-A together, and because they're walking together, O says its name. So our words that we have right now with long O are phone, phone. And make sure you're saying these with me. O's, nose, oak, poke. Remember, when we have magic E, we don't say the E at the end, right? We don't go oak, E, pokey. No, right? We just say oak, poke. Then we have oat, boat. With short O makes a sound like the O in octopus. Octopus. So we're going to say shop, right? We don't say shope. We say ah. We have long, ox, fox. And our last one is a little hard to see. Not. So now you guys are going to help me sort my words. So I have all these bubbles, and they're hard to see, but I have all these little bubbles that we need to sort onto our board with long O or short O. So when I read the word, you in your head or out loud, you need to say whether it goes with short O or long O. So does it say O or does it say ah? So our first one we have is row. Row. Where do we think that's going to go? We're hearing the O. Good. It's going to go in long O because it makes that O sound. Let's take a look at our next one. Cone. Cone. And we know as a hint, we know that when we see that magic E, we know it's going to go with our long vowel sound. So cone is a bubble that goes with long O. Let's try another one. Ox, box, ox. What shape did my mouth make? It goes with short O, ox. I'm going to put short O right here. Lock. Where do we think it goes? Does it say O or ah? Lock. Good. It goes with short O. And it's hard to see our whole anchor chart, but there he is. Let's look. Ooh, this will be a good one. Octopus. Octopus. Look, there are two O's, but we're just looking at the first one. Octopus. So does it go with short O or long O? Am I making ah or O? Do I say octopus or octopus? And you can use our picture as a clue. Octopus goes with our short O. Our next one is bow, B-O, B-O. So bow is going to go with long O. We have two more. Our next one, this is the month that we are in. Do we say October or do we say October? October. Good. October is going to go with short O. And here's our final one. Let's see. Our last one is home. So if I'm saying the O sound, it goes with long O. Okay, good job. So we are going to work on some different phonics assignments today, and you're going to be keeping an eye out for our short O words that say ah and our long O words that say O.